and we are now continue to do our second meeting. And my name is Wong Yiming and the leader of this group.
My name is Wong Ayuan.
My name is Tan Puichi.
My name is Ti Ding.
My name is Tan Kang Wei.
And my name is Che Wan Chi.
Okay, now we are going to discuss about what had we done for the last week.
Okay, so for the last week, I have already found a few pictures and comics as example for Che Wan Chi to draw it, because let her got a clearer picture of what to draw. So I already surf the net and find those comics as an examples and guideline.
I already helped Ayuan as we have Wi-Fi in our room, and we already find some information about the solution for Chair to draw the comic.
Okay, and I'm very appreciate their contribution, and I already draw all the 4 columns of the comic. As you can see, for the first column which shows how serious the problem is, like all the factory that release out all the chemicals, and for the second picture is the biological
The effect of the water pollution.
on the biological so all the fish die. And for the third column is the campaign is being carried out, save our river, and finally we get back our clean and clear rivers. Yeah.
And the pictures show that it's very clear, and then I still find the vocabulary to describe the real situation of this first and second commissary. So I still Google Translate lah. Hopefully I can get faster. So now the dialogue is save our liver, and then it's made by me complete, and then still find some new words lah to describe the first and second commissary.
Then for my part, I'm doing the coloring part, but actually if the comic is finished, then I don't have time, but later I will try to finish the coloring part.
Yeah.
And then for me, I have already made a journal of last week, and then we'll upload it later.
Okay. Now we'll proceed
Okay, we proceed to the problems that we have faced in complete this chemistry.
As we know that we face a lot of obstacles, right?
Yeah.
A lot of obstacles, meeting each other, finding a correct time. So, okay, so
we have a lot of homework, a lot of assignment to do, right? So it's very difficult for us to find out a time that can match each other time. Like now we are just squeezing our time to have this meeting now.
Yes.
and for the second problem we have met is actually finding this picture is also quite challenging, is because the Wi-Fi here actually is not stable enough. We face some technical problem also, and but finally we complete it.
And actually the picture that we found is not the same, so it's like we need to deal with each other, like which picture we have to draw it.
Next, I'm a lot of AJKs of activities, so I have to carry out lots of meeting, so make me lack of time to do this as well as my dialogue. So I try my best to squeeze the time to do this dialogue.
Yeah, I can see that you slims a lot.
Then another problem is last week we got a lot of replacement for the class because we just finished our holiday. Then got many, we don't have enough time to gather each other.
And then we also have some problems that we want to make this video. Don't know which place is the suitable place for us to.
And it's not easy to book discussion rooms because as many people use discussion rooms, and the library has only 3 discussion rooms available.
And it has the time limited. At night when we are free at night, but
A
the
lot of
library is
activity.
not open.
If we did in 4 year also, because there are a lot of people passing by there, so make the environment noisy. We cannot make the discussion there lah, in my opinion.
Okay. Some more, we also face technical problems such as like in the previous discussion, our friend's phone rang and then interrupt the whole discussion and we need to record it again. So technical problems is one of the obstacles we face. Okay. I think this is all the obstacles that we have faced. Okay.
Then, can I know when can we finish up this comic strip?
Should be by this week.
Yes.
Yeah. So how about Kang Wei and Dujin?
Yeah, I take my time lah to finish this in this week.
Yeah, because we need to upload it this week. So.
After this video, I will carry.
If you need help, you just can knock on my door anytime.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss on our plans for next week meeting. Okay, can I know any suggestion on the next week topic of our comic strip, the next comic strip?
Maybe you can do on the starting school event.
The first day registration should
But it's hard to
Draw
out
facial
the
expression.
You're very good at this.
we just try first. See.
Any other suggestion? How about we just discuss for the time and venue first, and we try to brainstorm next week.
You go and go back and find
The
Overseas.
information.
find the ideas.
Okay, so
When is our
Next meeting.
next meeting.
and the venue?
Venue.
Same place.
Same place.
place. Next week in this discussion room.
Then I'll book for the room. Yeah. And time?
Right?
Will be after our class, just after our class.
On
What day?
Monday.
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 Next Monday.
Your-
Yeah.
After the biochem.
Okay.
All of us don't have activities, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. That's. Is there any problems or any questions you want to voice out?
Is it next week do the same thing to discuss a new topic and then to assign the jobs to all of us? Is it?
Yeah, we need to assign and then we need to start to do the second commentary because the next week we need to pass already.
Oh.
So before we end, can we do some reflection on the previous discussion to improve our discussion in future? I think we should be more
Proactive.
proactive and then have more teamwork.
Yeah. I know everybody is busy, but we just try our best to do it.
Try to reach the destination as punctual as you can.
Yeah, as punctual as you can. For
Says do not bring your homework here to do.
Just focus on our discussion.
And I will silence my phone.
And next time, please be punctual.
Okay.
Yeah. So that we can complete our work as early as we can.
And also on time.
So we will meet on next Monday.
Next Monday.
This
At
room.
this same place.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's all from us. Okay, thank you for listening to our discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you.